Before the Articles of Confederation was ratified in 1781, several earlier versions were printed in the newspapers of the day. The Articles created a League of Friendship among 13 sovereign states and only gave Congress limited powers, such as foreign affairs, war, and coinage. But they could not tax, regulate commerce, or enforce laws, as states retained most authority. Each state had one vote, and amendments needed unanimous consent. The successes included the Northwest Ordinance of 1787 and the Treaty of Paris of 1783. Weaknesses included financial collapse, trade disputes, no national army, and Shays' Rebellion, all of which exposed the central government's impotence. By 1787, crisis prompted the Constitutional Convention, which replaced the Articles with a stronger federal system. The document's failures underscored the need for balanced national power. The early drafts of this first critical founding document can be read in the newspapers of the day.